Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about stopping applications on Android that may be acting unresponsive or freezing or locking up your phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the setting gear icon to open up your settings, and then select Apps. Locate the All Apps button at the top. And then you can either search the apps field for the app in question, or you can select the magnifying glass icon up at the top to search for it, and then just select the app in question on the list. And then you want to select the force stop button, select OK, and give it a moment. And then hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.